Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify business on Google. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind is that the verification process differs from the business that you own. So the first step that you need to know is verification through postcard. As soon as the customer wants a verification code, Google will send a postcard containing unique verification code. So what you need to do is fill up your address carefully so you don't blunder your address. So just enter in your business name, your country or region where your business is located, your street address, your city, your state, your zip code, your main business phone, and then category of your business. Then click on this, and then once you are done with that, click on continue. And now once you are done with all of this, what you need to do is you need to ask for the postcard. Once you ask for the postcard, it will take 1 to 2 weeks for the postcard to reach you, and while you are waiting, don't change any of the information and don't request for a new code. Just wait it out. It might delay the verification through postcard process to delay it a bit longer. And once you have received the postcard in the mail and entered the receipt code into the Google, your business will be verified. And the next is verification by call. If you see while verifying your business, if you see this call button, then which means you have to call to verify your Google account. Being one of the quickest way to verify your account, I would recommend using this option. Once you have called on the given number, the Google agent will check all the details of your business and then verify it. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.